Hello, good morning. Storm Bert is moving in, bringing the risk of very impactful weather across many parts of the UK, from significant snow for northern England and Scotland to some flooding risks across western and southwestern UK, along with increasing winds for many. Let's deal with the snow first of all. Transient risk of snow for some parts of Northern Ireland during the early hours, as well as parts of mid to North Wales, but quite quickly that gets replaced by rain as milder air rushes in. Meanwhile, for Northern England and Scotland, 2 to 4 hours of heavy snow is expected through the morning. That snow accumulating thick and fast, 5 to 10 centimetres at lower levels and 20 to 40 centimetres over hills. That could cause some serious disruption. All of that combined with strong winds leading to blizzards over hills of northern England and Scotland, atrocious travelling conditions, and with the risk of snow accumulation on power lines, there's the risk of power interruptions as well. All in all, not at all a pleasant day for going out and about for northern England and Scotland, or indeed elsewhere in the UK, as the wet and windy weather continues to affect Northern Ireland, Wales and the south. Winds reaching 60 or even 70 miles an hour across some western coasts and then later into the east. The snow moves north into central and northern Scotland, but it turns to rain across northern England and the rest of Scotland as it very quickly turns milder into the afternoon, leading to a substantial and rapid thaw. Look at these temperatures by the afternoon, 14 or 15 Celsius in the southwest, although not feeling it given the wind and the rain. But that will, of course, lead to the rapid thaw later on, after these areas are affected by temporary snow accumulations. So transient hill snow for Northern Ireland, Northern England into Scotland, the risk of 5 to 10 centimetres of snow in places, 20 to 40 over hills, followed by a rapid thaw and heavy rain later. Stay up to date with the very latest warnings on the Met Office website and app. Of course, these will be updated through the next 24 hours or so. Wind warnings also in force, not only across northwestern and western parts as well as the northeast through Saturday, but into Saturday night and Sunday, the winds picking up across the south coast. 60 mile per hour gusts and in places more than 70 miles an hour. And finally, the risk of localised flooding because of 75 millimetres of rain across Wales and the southwest, more than 100 over the hills of South Wales and Dartmoor. That rain continuing across much of England and Wales, western Scotland and Northern Ireland during the evening. Heavy bouts of wet weather interspersed by lively showers, strong wind gusts driving it all in from the Atlantic. And by the end of the day and overnight, the mild air is across the whole of the UK, with snow quickly melting. 14, 15 Celsius possible Sunday morning, a remarkable increase in temperatures in a short space of time. But it's going to be an unpleasant start to Sunday, even if it is mild. We've got strong winds, 60, perhaps 70 miles an hour, running along the south coast. A brief reprieve from the very windy weather across Scotland and Northern Ireland before further blustery showers move in by the afternoon, along with an increase in winds later. And for much of England and Wales, the steady rain continues, although it's increasingly confined to the south and southeast by the afternoon. Very mild, 15 to 16 Celsius, but not feeling pleasant given the blustery rain and showers. And then it turns a bit colder across Scotland and Northern Ireland later, with further downpours. And into next week, it's looking a lot quieter. But stay up to date to our YouTube channel. We'll keep you updated here with our regular videos.